Hi, I'm Kathy, the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw a man. It's got a really simple style which is very easy to draw. Let me show you how. First, here are the art supplies you're going to need: drawing paper, pencil, black marker for tracing, and some colored markers. Before you begin your drawing, I recommend first making guides on your paper. You just need to fold and crease the paper in half in both directions. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, which really do help. Step number 1. To start the man's head, draw a large U shape near the top of the paper. Step number 2. Next, draw the sides and then the top of the hair. Now add 2 simple ears below the hair. Step number 3. The face is very simple: 2 dots for the eyes and a smiling mouth. Then draw 2 eyebrows and a nose and the face is finished. Step number 4. Start the shirt with a V shape and then add a collar on either side. The body of the shirt has 2 shoulder lines and then sides and finally a curved line at the bottom. Notice that it goes right on that fold line. Now add a line down the center of the shirt and a few little buttons on the side. Step number 5. Draw a short sleeve on the right side of the shirt and then a matching one on the left side. Step number 6. To start the pants, draw the right leg first. Notice it goes down almost to the bottom of the paper. Then draw a matching left leg of the pants. Step number 7. Draw an arm coming down from the right shirt sleeve. And do the same on the left side. The hands can be very simple, just with a side view. Step number 8. Finish the drawing with 2 shoes. They should both be pointing away from the body. Step number 9. It's time to trace the drawing with a black marker, just like most cartoon artists do. Don't worry if there are any bumps or wobbles with your tracing. Sometimes they make things look even more hand-drawn, which is always a good thing. Now, before you start your coloring, it's always smart to erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. Okay, I want my guy to have a very colorful shirt, so I'm going to start off with a red marker. And if you want your color to look extra smooth, it helps to fill things in with long stripes like this. I'm going to do the same for the pants. Long, smooth lines make a very solid color. If it's more fun though for you to color in your own way, that's great too. Just do whatever works for you. Now that hair is going to be colored brown, as well as those 2 shoes. And last but not least is his skin color. I'm going to use a peach. But again, please use whatever color you'd like. And there is my finished drawing of a man. I hope it has helped you learn more about drawing people. I really want to thank you for following along with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this How to Draw a Man tutorial video. I have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a boy and how to draw a girl. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.